In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to receive a purchase order in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're a small business owner or an accounting professional, managing purchase orders effectively is essential for keeping your records up to date and accurate. This tutorial will guide you through each step, ensuring you have a solid understanding of the process from logging into QuickBooks to saving your purchase order settings. Let's begin by signing into your QuickBooks Online account. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll notice a settings icon there, which usually appears as a gear icon. Click on this icon and a menu will appear, presenting you with various settings options related to your QuickBooks account. From this menu, you'll want to select the Account and Settings option. This section is crucial as it allows you to adjust settings that affect your entire QuickBooks experience. Inside the Account and Settings, you'll find several tabs on the left-hand side. Your focus should be on the tab labeled Expenses. Clicking on this will provide you with several options related to how you manage expenses within QuickBooks. Among these options, one is specifically about purchase orders, which are vital for managing incoming orders and maintaining organized records. Now, within the Expenses section, go ahead and locate the Purchase Orders setting. Click on it, and you'll be directed to a section where you can adjust the way QuickBooks handles your purchase orders. Look for a switch or toggle labeled Purchase Orders. It's crucial to ensure that this toggle is switched to On. By doing so, you activate the purchase order functionality, which allows you to create and manage purchase orders seamlessly in your QuickBooks account. Once you've activated the purchase order feature, don't forget to save your changes. Saving your preferences is a straightforward task. Simply look for the Save button, which should be visible on the screen, and click on it. This action will ensure that your settings are stored and that your ability to manage purchase orders is fully activated moving forward. And there you have it, a complete walkthrough of how to receive a purchase order in QuickBooks Online. By following these steps, you ensure that your purchase orders are set up correctly, allowing you to maintain accurate and efficient records. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful in enhancing your QuickBooks Online experience. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to revisit this tutorial at any time.